wasn't before I paid, but I am now.
I got that in first. Okay, Roger.
Oh, I'm Roger, and I come from Merthyr Tydfil, and I'm not an alcoholic, but I do like a glass of red wine now and again.
You're so going to regret that. Oh, I'm Barbara. I don't know what I'm doing here.
The big one goes with Charles, and he goes to tell them.
Then he's ignoring me. It's upside down very well. Can you just speak to the camera? You're on moving camera.
Oh, I see, but we're talking Kindles. We're talking Kindles here. This is my new project.
And are you recovering alcoholics like these people?
I'm not recovering, I'm still going for it.
Right.